which website had pixel with it. It means that one metapixel has been added to this. No pixel found. So welcome back to a new video. In this video, I am going to share about fbpixel, how you can get your customer if you are running ad and you are sending traffic to your website, sales page, or any other funnel. So Facebook Pixel will help you to get more information about your customer with clicking to your link which is going to your sales page or sales funnel or website. It will help in future if you want to retarget them to pick this Facebook Pixel. Now I am going to tell you how you can understand that which website had pixel with it. With Facebook Pixel Helper, we can understand that which uh, website or funnel has Facebook Pixel with it. It is a Chrome extension, and Facebook itself provide it. So for this, we have to go to my laptop screen and continue from there. So let's go to Google and search Facebook Pixel Helper. To Meta Pixel Helper. So let's go there and here we can see add to Chrome. Actually, I have deleted as I have to show you. So again, I am going to click add to Chrome and it can add extension. It's added successfully. Now we can go here, more tools and extension. We can see it is already. It is one of page, and we want to see that there are Facebook Meta Pixel Helper is installed or not. So it's the extension tab. Click here. You can see one here page. Click here and we can see the pixel ID. Already copy. So it's one page, and now when the 2D animation for sales page, and now we are going to see that any pixel has been added to it or not. So we can see that there is nothing. Let's click this, and so it means I have not added any pixel to this sales page. So what's the different how Meta Pixel Helper can help you to understand that Meta Pixel has been added to that site or not.